Developers and agricultural investors, you can't miss this real estate opportunity in Southwest Indiana. William Wilson Auction and Realty presents these 73 acres in Gibson County selling at virtual, online-only auction October 19th. Just south of the Toyota Motor Manufacturing Plant, this property is 18 miles north of Evansville, 6 miles south of Princeton, and just minutes from Interstate 64. Offered as 2 individual tracts and in combination, these 73 acres have easy, convenient access and high visibility with frontage on U.S. Route 41, County Road 550, and County Road 600. This farm features good drainage, plus highly responsive Iva, Alford, and Pioga silt loams as predominant soil types. FSA and additional soil information is available on the Wilson Auctions website. Be sure to visit this property on Inspection Day, Thursday afternoon, October 12th, from noon till 1 o'clock, when a Wilson Auctions representative will be at Tract 2 to answer any questions about the property. Southwest Indiana farmland with excellent access and significant development potential. These 73 acres in Gibson County will sell at virtual, online-only auction through the Wilson Auctions website, where bidding begins Thursday, October 5th at noon Central Time, and bidding will close Thursday afternoon, October 19th at 5:30 Central Time. For registration, bidding procedure, and other information about this property, call William Wilson Auction and Realty 812-682-4000 or visit the website wilsonauctions.com.